Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you how to make tandoori chicken wings, which make for a really good appetizer or snack, be it for family game night or parties and get-togethers. And they are relatively quick and easy to make, whether you air fry them or make them in the home oven. And today I'm going to show you both the ways to do them, so you can go with whichever one you prefer. So let's get started. Here I have 33 chicken wing pieces. These are not full chicken wings. Chicken wings are usually cut into 3 pieces, flats which are known as wingets, drums also known as drumettes, and wingtips which are usually discarded. So these are 33 wingets and drumettes, about half and half of each. And I got these pre-cut from the store, but you can get the full chicken wing and cut them at home too. I have also properly washed them and patted them dry to get rid of any excess liquid on them. When you have the chicken ready, start making the marinade. For which, in a bowl take half a cup of yogurt, 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, a tablespoon of tandoori masala powder, and a tablespoon each of garam masala and coriander powder, and a teaspoon each of cumin and chaat masala powder, 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 tablespoons of kasuri methi, 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour, 2 teaspoons salt, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and 3 tablespoons of oil. Mix everything together to make a smooth paste-like marinade. Then apply this tandoori masala marinade to the chicken wing pieces, ensuring to coat them all really well. And as you saw, I use more spice powders than just tandoori masala powder to make the marinade, because this blend of spices is what I found to work really well together, especially if you're using all store-bought masalas like I'm using here. I'm still working on a recipe for a homemade tandoori masala powder that I like enough to use just that with, say, yogurt, salt and oil. I'll share it when it's ready, but until then this blend of store-bought masalas works really well. When done, let the chicken marinate for at least 4 to 6 hours in the fridge. Better if you can let it marinate overnight, but in a rush 1 to 2 hours of marination will be enough too. Now first, to make these tandoori chicken wings in the air fryer, preheat the air fryer at 400° Fahrenheit. Then grease the air fryer basket and place the chicken wing pieces in it. And air fry these tandoori chicken wings for about 15 to 17 minutes till done, ensuring to flip the pieces once at the halfway point, and done. Air fry is easily the fastest way to make these tandoori chicken wings, and especially perfect for making smaller batches for family snacking. But if you want to do a bigger batch in one go for parties or something like that, it's better to do it in the oven, which is not quite as quick but easy enough and really great for bigger batches, which is usually not possible with a regular sized air fryer. For making the tandoori chicken wings in the oven, preheat the oven to 400° Fahrenheit and line a baking tray with parchment paper or foil to catch the drippings. Then place a wire rack in it and grease it. Now place the chicken wing pieces on the rack and bake for about 35 to 40 minutes till done, ensuring to flip the chicken once at the halfway point, and done. Crispy yet juicy tandoori chicken wings are ready. Serve them as is or pair them with a dip of your choice and enjoy. For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!